guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. I need to open these parcels with you, so grab a cup of tea, grab a cup of coffee, grab a snack, and we've got a lot of parcels to go through, you guys. And my first ever Pretty Little Thing order. Stay till the end to see what I've got in here. I was literally just gonna edit the girl talk video and just chill out. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna film this, so I've got a video lined up for you guys. So I'm sorry there hasn't been any posts from me for about 2 weeks here on my channel, because my mental health's just been literally all over the place at the moment, especially this month. I've got a lot going on behind the scenes. Yeah, I do apologise for that, but hopefully I'm back to normal now and we can get back into the swing of things. So I'm going to start opening this little box. So obviously on the other side's my address, so we're going to open this box. I don't even know what's in half of these. I mean, I do have a Look Fantastic. I'm not sure if this bag on top is the Danny DeFreitas bag. I hope it is, because I'm excited for that. So this one is my Sephora. Oh, they've put me in a few little treats. So I've been seeing this foundation, guys, all over the internet, and I wanted to try it out myself. So I saw Soph Does Nails do it, or Soph Does Life Now, and she was raving about this foundation, and I want to have a new foundation to try out. And it's this one from House of Labs, which is Lady Gaga's brand. So I've got mine in the shade 040 Fair Neutral. So I'll be doing, guys, actually I'll be doing soon a full face of first impression makeup, because I've got some foundation, I've got other products that I've got all I've not even tried them yet. I've even got that Rich palette from Beauty Bay that I want to try out. So give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you want to see a full face of new makeup. They've given me 2 little Charlotte Tilbury samples, so I'll pop that into the giveaway box. If you guys have seen this all over TikTok, I'll run the video now.
Mystery bundles, you get 10 products for 20 quid, and this time they're Christmas themed. Look how cute that is. What a cute Christmas present that I'd make. And a really affordable one, because you're getting 10 products for 20 quid.
Give Me Cosmetics Christmas bundle box. I think you get 10 items for £20. It's amazing. So your girl picked one up, and we've got a lot of goodies in here. Aloe vera, coconut and oil hair mask. Oh, that smells bloody gorgeous. So we've got a face halo. I've already got one of these, so I'm going to pop this one into the giveaway. So we've got a claw clip in this gorgeous mint green. Ooh. The vitamin C eye gel patches. Skincare day, relaxation day coming soon, guys. Got the Give Me Mango. Oh, that does actually smell like proper mango. Oh, that just looks super delicious, guys. Super delicious. We've got their face toner. I've heard so many good things about this face toner. I'm loving the packaging. It's got scent free. It's got no scent to that one. The Ultimate Face Fix Collagen Sheet Mask. You guys know I love a good mask. So this is made with collagen to restore skin elasticity, strength and texture with lasting hydration. So I've got a face mask as well, guys. They're argan oil and coconut oil shampoo and conditioner. And these are the full size ones as well, guys. You get 300 mils. So for 20 quid, it's an absolute bargain. Got a little silicone brush. I don't tend to use these, so I'll pop this into the giveaway as well. Then we've got 2 boxes left, guys. This one is the Danny DeFreitas bag, which is like £50, but all Look Fantastic, Give Me Cosmetics, the Sephora, all the products and everything that I show in the video today. I will link them all down below for you guys to check out as well. So yeah, this is November Look Fantastic beauty box. We've got a fair few products. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in this box. So we have a Way Leave-In Conditioner. I've heard really good things about Way products. Mandible Metallics, Moonshine. What on earth is that? Is it a little single eyeshadow or something? Oh, it's like a purpley eyeshadow. So I have just took the lid off it, but I've not put my finger in it or anything like that. So I will probably put this, because it's not, I don't normally use these kind of products, so I will put that into the giveaway box, guys. We have a Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm Eye Temporary Eye Tightener. Ooh, that sounds interesting. An Elemis product. So this is the Superfood Midnight Facial Nourishing Sleeping Cream. Ooh, I love Elemis. So we have a little Elemis product. The last product in this box is a Frankenbody caffeinated scalp scrub. So it's a one for the scalp. So thank you, look fantastic. This bag, now I'm thinking it is definitely the Danny De Freitas bag, because they normally come in these kinds of bags and it does feel quite jam-packed as well. Let's open this up together. So this was £50 for the bag, and I think you get 8+ products. It is the Danny De Freitas bag. So that's all the products that we've got in there. I was gonna get the Twee ones again, but they're completely sold out. So I normally swap and change between Twee and Danny, and I absolutely think they're both amazing. Is the Iconic London Sheer Blush Board Dauphine. So that is a high-end brand, which is Iconic London. I've never actually tried any of Iconic London's products before, to be honest. What else do we have? We have a MAC product. So we've got a MAC product. This is their Squirt Plumping Lipstick in the shade Amped. It looks like a lip gloss kind of style. Oh yeah, that's going to be super hydrating. You can hardly really see that. So it's like a nice little lip gloss. We have, oh, we've got another MAC product. So this is the MAC Fix and Stay Over alcohol-free, long-lasting setting spray by MAC. So we've got this serum from Drunk Elephant. Doesn't really smell of anything. I've only ever had like the oil from Drunk Elephant. That's the only other product from Drunk Elephant I've ever had. We have another Drunk Elephant product. These products are quite bougie, the ones that I've actually got out so far. They're all high-end products. So this is their Protein Power Peptide Resurface Serum. Never tried anything like that before. So you get 15 mils in there. A twisty lid. Oh, I love this. I got the bigger version before. I've had the bigger version of this before. So it's the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. I love this. It is such a good cleanser. So this is actually, the Danny De Freitas bag is actually my birthday present from me to me, basically. Oh, I do have another serum from Drunk Elephant. I have here, oh, we've got a NARS product. So this is the Afterglow Lip Shine. So another lip product, but from NARS. And we've got this in the shade Triple X. I've just seen a product that's just poked its little head out, and I can't wait to show you guys because it's one of my products that I love. So it's just a clear lip gloss from NARS. I'm not really a clear lip gloss kind of gal, so that will be going into the giveaway for one of you guys to win. The Banana Bright Primer. It's the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Primer. I bloody love this stuff. I've only ever had like samples of it, but it's one of my favourites, guys, and I love it so much. It's got the SPF of 30, and you guys, I've actually got the full size. Oh, we've got another Fenty product. Guys, all these products are actually all high-end. Sometimes you get like a mixture of drugstore and high-end with these bags, but every single product that I've pulled out the bag at the moment have been high-end. So this is a Fenty product, and I'm not sure. Oh, it's two Fenty products actually. It is. It's a mascara, guys. So I've got mascara. I'm going to keep one for myself, and then I'm going to give one of you guys one for the giveaway as well. Milk makeup, guys. So this is their vegan milk moisturizer. Look how gorgeous that packaging is. How beautiful is that? Oh, I really needed a new moisturizer as well, so I can't wait to use that. So the last product is an Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, guys. So this is Wild Greens. Ooh, look at the packaging. Oh, that is pretty. That is a really stunning, pretty palette, but I'm going to give it to one of you guys. So this is also going to go into the giveaway for you guys as well. So that is literally everything in the Danny bag. So thank you so much to Danny. He doesn't know who I am. I've literally bought a few bags of him over the years. They never ever disappoint. And I do buy those bags, guys, with my own money. It's a treat to myself. That was my birthday treat. So I'm really, really happy. All high-end product. Couldn't be any happier. Okay, guys. So the moment you've been waiting for. What's inside my pretty little thing bag? I bought myself. I've been going on a lot of dog walks. So I needed a new coat. And she is a very, very long coat. Very long. So give me 2 seconds and I'll do a try on. So don't mind the mess in the background, guys, but how gorgeous is this coat? It goes right down to my ankles. It's really good. It's so nice. It's got big, deep pockets. I'm in love with it. It's got a hood. It's got a hood on it. Can do it over at the front. Oh, I love it so much. So guys, that is literally everything. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell so you're updated every single time that I'll upload a video. I hope you're having a fantastic week, whatever you're up to. And I will see you in the next video, guys. I love you so much. Bye.